This video is going to very briefly demonstrate how you can utilize groups to create alternatives for your customer. So in this example, we are replacing some brake pads for the customer, but we want to estimate on some budget brake pads and some premium brake pads. So this particular estimate has a single group, and within the group there is a single labor and a single item for replacing the brake pads. A very quick way to create a second group with the exact same labels and items is highlight the group in question, go to Functions under the Group Items menu and select Duplicate Group. And this will create a new group with the exact same labels and items. This is very useful for things like brake pads, useful if you want to price up tire alternatives, or if you're pricing any job that has alternative parts available to the customer. That's precisely what this duplicate group function is for. So what I can go ahead and do now is call this one replace brake pads budget, and then I can call this one replace brake pads premium. And you can see that these labors and items are in the budget group, and these labors and items are in the premium group, and then it's just a case of changing the price. So if you're using the online authorization, the customers, there is one thing you need to do as well, is actually set the alternative. So we've got budget, and we're going to say premium is the alternative for the budget. So when the customer looks at the online document, you're going to get two options for the customers, one for budget, one for premium, and they can't select both. I'll just show you very quickly how this looks to the customer now. So under required, you can see we've got replace brake pads budget, and then we have an alternative of replace brake pads premium. And as you can see, if they select one, it deselects the other. So that's how you use the duplicate feature, the duplicate group feature under functions. It has multiple uses, but a very good use is when wanting to offer alternatives to customers. Any questions, please ask in the Facebook forum. Thank you.